Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys Kitchen. Today we are going to make special Kerala style pork fry.
This pork fry is famous among native people of Ernakulam District in Kerala. It's tasty when it is served along with rice. Let's move to the video. In a bowl, take 500 grams of pork. I have already washed and kept in refrigerator for 4 hours after adding 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder and half teaspoon salt. Now add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 tablespoon oil. Add 6 pounded shallots, 2-inch ginger, 8 garlic cloves, 8 to 10 curry leaves, half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Keep it marinated for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, take a pan, transfer the marinated pork to the pan. Add 1.5 teaspoon coriander powder and mix it well. We don't require oil while frying. The ghee in pork comes out while frying. Close the lid and fry the meat on low flame for 8 to 10 minutes. Now open the lid. You can see the ghee from the meat has come out. Remove the meat into a bowl for later use. After removing the meat, use the ghee we have got from cooking the meat. Add 2 tablespoon oil to it. Then add 1.5 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and mix it well. Saute it for 1 minute. Now add 1.5 sliced onion and mix it well. Add 2 chopped green chilies, 7 to 8 curry leaves. Also add half teaspoon salt. Mix it up. Saute it on medium flame for 4 to 5 minutes. Then add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon red chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder. Mix it well. Cook for 2 minutes on medium flame. Now add the cooked meat to the pan. Mix it well. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. Dry up excess water content. Switch off the flame. Our special Kerala style pork fry is ready. Serve it along with rice for best taste.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.